up late, socks don't match, I'm dancing anyway. Shoelace loose and my coffee spilled, kinda loving how it tastes. Laughing at my own reflection, can't help feeling light. I'm making up the rules today and letting weirdness shine. I got a million reasons to settle for the same old road, but I crave the little detours only I get to know. I might change my mind just for fun, try on a new kind of day. Let it run, let it run. I'll paint outside the lines this time. Catch me spinning through the morning till the sun reclimbs. Last night's plans forgotten fast, so I wrote a new routine. Turn my jacket inside out, that's just how I wanna be. Tapping rhythm on the sidewalk with my own offbeat parade. I do what keeps me smiling, let that be my serenade. Every simple habit's a chance to break away. And if I look back, it's only to laugh at how I played. I might change my mind just for fun, try on a new kind of day. Let it run, let it run. I'll paint outside the lines this time. Catch me spinning through the morning till the sun reclines. Jump in the middle, no need to decide. Half-written plans keep the feeling alive. Don't need a reason. All these colors in my head, I'm not choosing just one. If you're waiting for a sign, maybe this is the one. I might change my mind